Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. So I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can flip an image on Canva. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Canva application. Once you open up your Canva application, you'll be appear with the home page of Canva. So now from the appeared screen, go ahead and select any picture of your choice. For instance, I have selected this picture. So this is my picture. I have selected this particular picture to flip on Canva. So in order to flip, what you can do is just select that picture or the particular area. Just tap on that picture. Now scroll right side. Now scroll to the right side from your screen. Now right here you can see the option called flip. Go ahead and tap on it. Now once you tap on it, there is two options given. Either you can flip your photo or the picture to horizontally or vertically. So do it on your choice or just select any one option. And once you are done with it, so as you can see on the screen, my picture is flipped. So this is how easily you can flip an image on Canva. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.